Hi grade 3. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learners Teacher Iman channel. Today it will be a revise on Unit 11 in your book Connect Plus. But before I will go to our unit today, to revise our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today I will revise on Unit 11 in your book Connect Plus. Let's go to this unit. The unit is about keep in touch. Let's go to know more about this topic. In this topic, we talk about communication, type of communication in the past and now. Here we, in this unit, we learn the communication, types of communication in past and now. Like what? In past, what is the communication in past? It will be telegraph. Here is telegraph, radio, television, typewriter. Typewriter is like printer now. This is in the past. Now we have modern device of this device. It will be printer. Now we have printer, typewriter, and here we have telephone. This is the old telephone. I think most of us see it in our families. Okay, types of communication now. Here we have cell phone. Here we have laptop. This is called laptop, and this is World Wide Web. This is the abbreviation of W and put dot until the title that we want to access or follow this. Follow it. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have some important expression and proposition. We have here look at, that sounds complicated, prefer to, use to communicate, is difficult, it looks difficult. Here we have, here in this part, we learn the part of computer. I think all of us learned it before. CPU, we have here printer, we have here keyboard, mouse, monitor, external hard drive. Let's go to know some information, some definitions here. We have storage. We have storage. This keeps information for a long time, often in a hard drive. We have central processing unit, or called CPU. This is the brain of the computer. It makes the computer follow instruction. Memory, this keeps information for short time, so the CPU can use it. Here we have transportation. Let's know that we have here new transportation and old transportation. Here we have train, we have boat, aeroplane, taxi, electric car, bike, Ferrari, bus, subway, high-speed train, electric car, taxi, boat, and train. All these modern, all this called modern transportation. We have a steam train and horse and cart. The first car, this is from the past, and we have here on foot when we go on foot. Here is pros and cons, means advantage and disadvantage. This pros and cons. Busy, traffic, pollution, ship. The opposite of ship, it will be expansive. Let's go to another item here, or another item in this topic. We have here high-speed train, can use magnets and can go very fast. Electric car was invented in 1996. Horse with cart is an old-fashioned type of old transportation. Here we talk about present passive voice. Here we have, I would like to pay attention with me in this part. Here we have, this is called active form. We have here subject plus verb plus object, like this. This is subject, verb, object. And the tense here in what I would like to, when we do this, this form of passive, this in what? In the present form. Why? What can we do it? Okay. I would like to say something about passive voice grade 3. We must keep the third column of the regular verbs. It's important because in this part of the grammar, we must keep the third column or the of the irregular verb, or the third part of the irregular verb. Why? Because here we change the verb from present or the past to the past participle of the verb. So we must know the past participle of the verb by keeping the regular verb. We must keep the regular verbs. There's no way to keep it. We must keep it. Okay. Here we have subject, verb, object. So I will start by what? By the object here. It will be milk. milk, and milk here is we say is why, because it's singular, is drunk. So the past participle of drink, it will be drunk. Okay. We can say Miss Iman, where we get the regular verbs. Regular verbs is available in both in extra books and in textbooks. If you search about it, you can find it. Okay, and can keep it. Okay, it's not difficult to do so. Okay, here we say milk is drunk by us. So here we have drunk. I replace milk in the present form to the past participle form. Let's go to another item here in this part. This is the statement form of the passive voice. The teachers, this is the active sentence, the teacher help the new student. So here we have subject, we have here verb, we have here object. Let's do this sentence together. It will be here, the new student. It will be is. Why is here? Because here the verb is in the present form. So is helped. Here helped, I adding ed because this is the regular verb, not irregular. So I put ed only by the teachers. Okay. You can say sometimes Miss Iman will have regular and irregular. Yes, some have regular and irregular. So we must keep the irregular to be able to answer any question in the exam. Okay. Let's go to another one here. The teacher, here is the teachers help the new students. So the new students, it will be here. The new students are helped, to be here. The new students are helped by what? Here is the new students singular. Here is the new students in plural. It will be are helped by what? By teachers. Let's go to another item. So here we know the present form, okay, of the passive voice. Later we'll talk about the past form of the passive voice. Let's go to another one here. Here we say in active form and in passive form, but in what? In the negative form. Here we say in negative form, Pin doesn't walk the cat. So it will be here, I will replace the object instead of subject. It will be the cat isn't. It will be here doesn't. I replace doesn't by isn't. Walked by Pin. Here is they don't make sandwiches here. So sandwiches aren't made. To be sandwiches aren't made here. Does Pin walk the dog? Here we say we have here some. We say I would like to do it in steps. Here we say Pin walks. I will do it in steps, and I would like to know how we get it. Okay, here is Pin walks the dog. Okay, I will answer the question as a statement form. Then I do the yes no question in the passive form. Here is the dog. So what can I do here? Here we say the dog. I replace here subject, verb, and object. Okay, I would like to do it in separated paper. Okay, I would like does Pin walk the dog? I would like to note here in the separated paper. Does Pin? It will be here. Does Pin? Does Pin walk the dog? Walk the dog. Okay. This is the what? This is the sentence in question form. What can I do it in the passive voice? We have steps before you do this. We say it will be Pin. I answer the question as it is. Pin walks the dog. Okay. Pin walks the dog. This is called the yes no question. Yes no question. Okay. Dog. Okay. So here I have. So I put here. This is subject. I would like to here is subject. Here is Pin. I would like here Pin is subject. Walks verb. and dog is the subject. It is object, sorry. The dog is object. The dog is object. The dog here is object. Okay. So here I do the steps before I do this. Okay. Here we say this is subject, verb, object. What can I do? Here I replace. I would like to. Here with I start by what? I will start by the dog. Here it will be the dog. The dog is a subject. So I start by the dog. So here is the subject, the dog. The dog. Here we have walks. Walks here replaced by a is. Hello? 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 Here we say the dog here, the dog. So the dog is singular. So I put is walked, the dog is walked by been, okay, by been. This is the next step that I do. How can I do it in the question form? We say Miss Iman is enough. No, it's not enough. We have a last one, a last step. It will be I will replace. I will make a scissor or make a replacement. I put the verb instead of subject like this. Here is an object. Put the verb is a verb instead of the object. To be if the dog. To be if the dog. If the dog walked. If the dog walked. If the dog walked by bin, and I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, so this is the answer of the passive voice of this. So first of all, I answer the question. Bin walks the dog. Then I make here is subject, verb, object. I put the object here. I start by the object. The dog is walked by bin, and then I make a question form like this: Is the dog walked by bin? So this is the last step of this question, okay? Like this here is the dog walked by bin, as we know here in the slide. Okay, let's go to another one here. This is another item of doing the question. Here we say they make their cookies. So they I will answer the question as it is. Then I make the steps of the passive form. What is the steps? That I replace the object instead of what, instead of subject, and I put the verb in the third form. Here we have they make the cookies. So the cookies, I answer the cookies are here. The cookies are made by them. So how it will be? How are the cookies made? Okay. Here is the conjugation of verbs. I leave it to keep it. Here we have write, wrote, written, make, made, made, send, sent, sent, see, saw, seen, grow, grew, grown, read, write, read. We have the read is in pronunciation is different, but written as it is as read. We say read, we say read in the past, but written as read. Read, read. Drink, drank, drunk. Come, came, come. Did, do, did, done. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Understand, understood, understand, understood. Take, took, taken. Go, went, gone. M is R, was, were, been. Cut, cut. Put. I think now we keep the irregular verbs. Here we have another form of the passive voice in the past form like this. Here is we have also subject, verb, object. But the verb now is putting in what? In the past form. What can we use in the past form? In the past form, I use was or were. Okay, verb to be in was and were, like this. You say Morse code. Here is Samuel Morse invented Morse code. So Morse code was. Why was here? We can say someone saying why we use was here, because here the verb in what? In the past form. So I would like to, in the passive voice, you must see the verb. Is it in present form or in the past form? So as the verb is in the past form or the past present form, in the present form we put is plus past participle of the verb. In the past form we use was or were plus the past participle of the verb of the form. Okay. Passive voice is easy to do it, but we can understand before you answer. Okay, we can concentrate and take care when you answer. When we put the verb in the third form, when we make an inverse between the object and subject, because this make you write the sentence in correct way. And as we told you before that when we make a question form of the passive voice, we see the steps that we do it before you put the step of the passive form in the last step. Okay, so here we know how to do the passive voice. Let's do this together. Here is Morse code. So here we have invented in what? In which tense? In the past form. So I put what? I put was. So take care if you in the singular or plural. I would like to say if you put the verb in the form of the present or the past, but not the singular or plural, you can take half marks. But you can take care if we have singular or plural, must put is in the singular and are in the plural, and was in the singular and were in plural. Here is Morse code is singular, so I put was invented by what? By Samuel Morse. Let's go to another one here. Here's an active sentence. Ali ate apples. So apples, here apples is plural, were eaten by Ali. Aya sent a message. A message was sent by Aya. Why was? Because here sent is in the past form. Okay. Here is Ahmed didn't eat pizza. So pizza wasn't. Why wasn't here? Because didn't, I replaced didn't by wasn't. Wasn't eaten by Ahmed. Let's go to another item here in this unit. It will be the phonics. A plus W, which is pronounced as O. We say true. We say here draw, true, and UN. Draw, true, and UN. Here we have A plus U, like audio message, both. Audio message and both. Here we have Morse code and short. Let's answer the questions related to Unit 11 together. Space, I would like to concentrate with me and think with me. Okay, I would like to make your mind with me. I don't make my mind only. You make you also must make your mind with me. A space, telegram, computer, mobile, machine is the first way of sending message. As we know during the lesson, what is the first way of the message? I'm listening to saying with meant telegram. You are clever pupils. We use space, cell phone, telephone, radio to make video call. You think with me, video call. All of us have a what? Have cell phone, and all of us have video calls or not? Yes, so it will be cell phone. In the past, people use the space to communicate. In the past, use what? Use telephones. You can use telephones. Cell phones can't be in the past, or laptops can't appear in the past. The space can go on water. On water, what is the transportation of in the water? Is it subway? Wrong. Is it aeroplane? No, aeroplane is in what? In the sky, and subway is on the land. So which one is on water? It will be Ferrari. You are clever pupils. Let's go to another one here. A or N, electric, car, steam train, taxi, used fossil fuel. It will be what? It will be steam train. This one. A space flies high in this car, plane. Using a bike is cheap, not expensive. Space keeps information for a long time. To be what? Storage. Storage is the information of long time, because memory is the storage of information in short time, as we know here during the lesson. Let's go to the lesson and know this. Okay, know this together. Okay. Here we have memory for short time, but storage for a long time. So this one. So I select this one, storage, to be storage. Let's go to another item here in this unit, in this exercise. Another one, it will be multiple choice also. Let's go to another, let's go to do it together. The phones aim are uploaded onto a website. So here, photos here is plural or singular. Can think with me, is what is plural. So I select what? I select here are. So it will be are. So here this the photos are uploaded onto a website. So this called what? This called passive voice. Okay, this is the passive voice, as we learned during the lesson. Okay. I would like, when we make a question form of the passive voice, you can do the steps that I will see you to answer the question in correct way. Emails are spaced from computers and smartphone. Here is emails are what are sent sent from computer to smartphone. Send here would be sent. Typewriters used today. So it will be here do typewriters, sorry, not no, it's not do, it will be are, it will be are, because here we have used in the passive form, so I used are here. So are typewriter used today. Letters are written. Why we say written here, Miss Iman? Because here we use the passive voice, and as we told that in present form and past participle, and the verb not be in the past participle form. Morse code was developed to make message. The telegram machine space invented in 1830. As we told you, when we talk about the past form, we use what? We use was or were. So the answer it would be was. The first email space sent in 1971. Here it will be the first email was sent. Message sent by a telegram machine was space a telegram was space a telegram was called telegram. Let's answer the question of rearrange together. Here we say, here is have, I answer two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here it will be subject plus verb plus object. I think this kind of question we answered more and more, and this is not difficult, okay? This is in the statement form we use this. In the question form, I was what? I replace the verb in instead of what? In instead of subject. Let's do it together. People, here is people. Send. People send messages. People send. Here is people send messages to communicate together. And messages to communicate together. To communicate. Communicate together. To communicate together. Communicate together. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here we have, it will be the letters. It will be here, the letters. Were written and sent. Were written and sent. Were written and sent. And I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as well. Here is who. So who wants to travel quickly. Okay, this is that question form. Who wants to travel quick. Okay. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. Now we know how to do this exercise, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's go to another item here in this unit. Here we have rewrite. We have here the we give you the word, and you can do it. You can answer you can correct the sentence by the word that is between brackets. Okay. this this kind of question come in the exam. Okay, new kind of questions that come in the exam. It will be here videos. Here is videos. Here see. So see here is the verb is what in the present form. So it will be are seen. Videos are seen. Are seen on the internet by people. Okay, subject, verb, and object. So here I start what? I start the object. Videos are seen on the internet by people. Let's go to another one here. I send emails from the computer. So emails. Here's emails. Here we have sent in the present form. So emails are sent from computers by me. Okay, sent from computers by so here is from computers by me, and put by me at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's go to another one here. A computer is made of metal. So here I replace computers instead of a computer. It will be here I replace is by R. Okay, I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, I listen to the radio. It will be here radio. There is radio. I have a new cell phone. It will be here cell. By this question, we end from our video today. Next class, I will make a revise on Unit 12. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.